Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about 8 minutes, so I will pause the recording software for now, and I will be back as soon as I find a potential opportunity. All right, going to go for a put here at 42.50. Well, I tried, and it did not fill me. I'm looking to do options here. If you don't know what options are, just comment below option guide. I will link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. I know sometimes options create intimidation. They don't need to be that way. They can be made very complicated, don't get me wrong, but they don't have to be made that way. And I approach them in more of a simplified way. Sorry, I'm trying to make alerts in our chat room. So if you like to approach things in more simplified, straightforward ways, then I'm confident that guide can help you out quite a bit. So just like I said, comment below option guide and I will link you to that. Totally free. All right, well, I canceled that order out as I was not able to get filled. So I will pause and keep a close eye on things. Have an order at 39.20 now for a call. Did not fill me. I'm trying to buy at that yellow line. I was close, but looking like if I want to get filled at 39.20, it's going to actually have to break through that yellow line, which is not ideal. So I'm going to change strike prices. Change what? Strike prices. Again, comment below option guide. It'll link you to that. And we'll try 39.20 at just a different strike price here. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. Have an order at 41.50 here for a put. I was looking close for a second, but then it pulled back, so I'll pause. And I should note I'm watching this number right here. So I want to see that drop down to 41.50 and then go slightly below. And then that white order will turn green, meaning I'm able to buy. Right now I'm just trying to buy. That's why it's white. Okay, I'm in and out there for $100. If you blinked it, $100 in literally less than a second. I know I may sound like I'm trying to scam you right now or I'm lying, but good thing I have it on video. Just scroll back and you'll see that I was in that trade for less than a second and made $100 on it. So that's the power of always getting, now, yes, in hindsight, you could say, but Clay, you could be up $200, $300 right now. And those are all fair points. But like I said, for this sniper shot strategy, I'm just looking for, like I said, a quick little sniper shot. And that was $100 bill in under 1 second. So good start to the day. And we'll see if this thing wants to push up through here. But maybe we'll try to take, maybe the same exact trade again, 41.50 to 42.50. We'll have to see though, but I'll go ahead and pause. Have an order at 39 for a call. I'm going to change that down to 38. No, still didn't get filled there, so let's go to 37 then. No, there's the bounce. I just couldn't quite get the entry point on that one figured out properly. All right, I'll cancel that out. So close, but close is not good enough. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 42, in at 42. And out for another $100 there. So that one took, I don't know, maybe 10 seconds. So that wasn't quite as fast as the first one, but still worked out just fine. I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 37.70 here. Nope, don't like how it's playing that game. I mean, it's just sitting right where I want to get filled. So I'm going to go to 39.20 now instead. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 41.50. Is not, oh, there we go. I'm in at 41.50. Oh, and I'm out. How long? I don't even know how long I've been out. I was watching the level 2s to see if my stop loss was going to get hit. So I guess I can check the time, 10:16. That doesn't help me a whole lot. So yeah, I really have no idea how long I had been out because I was just watching those level 2s. But I'll have to scroll back and watch that when I'm done. And on that note of being done, I think I'm going to call it good. 10:10. So market's been open 40 minutes. Well, I should take that back because this is some good movement here. I could potentially get another trade. So let's see if it wants to push up. Try it 39, which is quite a bit of ways away right now. But if this move wants to continue up, I'll give it maybe another trade, but I'll pause. All right, it's pulling back here. So I am gonna call it good. So 10:10, about 40 minutes, not about 40 minutes. Market's open. I'm up 300 with commissions. Let's call it about 295. And I'm not sure of many places in the market where in 40 minutes you can make $295. And for you new people to the channel, this is just a side hustle for me. I am a believer in multiple streams of income. I have multiple streams of income. I have trading, which I consider a side hustle, stream of income. I have real estate investing, which I consider a side hustle. I have my teaching business at claytrader.com. You should check it out as a quick plug. That is another side hustle that provides income. You know, I have my dividend portfolio. So I have many streams of income, and I do this not because I want the Lamborghini. Now, if you want the Lamborghini, if that's your goal, cool, go for it. I hope you accomplish that goal, but I do it because I want the freedom of schedule. I want to be able to look at my schedule and say, you know what? I want to do what I want when I want to do it. And as a father of 6 kids, that's what it's all about to me, the freedom of schedule, the freedom of time. And like I said, if I can spend 40 minutes and walk away with $295 in my pocket for sitting here, and, you know, rolling out of bed, walking to my office, pressing some buttons, I'm going to take that all day long. And like I said, if you want the Lamborghini, then yes, you're going to have to make more than what I've made here, but that's where everybody's at different locations in their life. They have different goals. That's not to say I'm right or you're right. It's just a matter of preference. And I mean, in my opinion, I personally think freedom of schedule is the ultimate wealth, but obviously we can agree to disagree on that too. There's no harm in that. But so that's all I have for you. So got out the sniper rifle today. Maybe that's what I'll call this one, the $100 sniper rifle, because 3 sniper shots, 3 $100 moves, one super fast, one 10 seconds. The other one, I don't know how long it lasted because I'm not quite sure how fast I got out relative to when I was watching the level 2s. But anyway, look at it. Very happy with the results, and I will take it and move on. So thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. If you do, again, want to learn more about options, then just comment below option guide. And if you want to learn more about charting and what I'm doing here with the technical analysis, then I do offer a free class for that. And I'm going to change to another video right now and tell you more about how you can get signed up. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.